Hello everyone, my name is Cheryl and this is my daughter Georyl.
Hi.
This afternoon we're going to open the Influencer Voxbox that I received from Influenster.com. Okay, you can start opening the box now, baby.
First, you have to remove this little old tape right here.
Okay, let me cut it. Let me cut
I
cut it.
would with my nails,
But mommy will cut it.
and mommy will do that.
Remove your hands.
And then, now it's time to cut it.
But good cut. Okay,
Then
there's the surprise.
we open it.
Yes. So what do you see there?
Bye.
Okay. We have
We have
Elizabeth Arden,
and we have this.
Flawless Future Couplet Serum.
And we have this.
We have
What?
Bikini Ready Energy Gummies.
Gummies? I love gummies.
Soft Lips Cube 5-in-1 Lip Care. The Playtex Sports Balance Tampon.
And we have these
First
cards.
Degree Burn Cream. And we have something fragile here.
Yeah, it's heavy.
It's heavy.
And
Is
we
it?
have two written.
Uh-oh, I can't open it.
You need Why are you just putting it in your mouth?
No, I'm just...
That's not.
Okay, so we have a unsweetened real brewed tea. Pure leaf. And of course, we have the Info Kit. Influenster Vitality Voxbox. And then some information on the soft lips cube. Sorry. And then just the same. So we have again the Pure Leaf Tea, the Playtex tampons, the First Degree Burn Cream, the Soft Lips Cube,
Maybe smell this one.
the Bikini Ready
We forgot to smell it.
Energy Gummies,
I will smell it.
and Elizabeth Arden
It doesn't smell so good.
Serum. Are you excited, baby? What can you say about the Voxbox?
The box has these thingies, so
Is it time to open it now? Open them all?
open.
I guess later.
Open.
Say bye.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our video channel.
Oh, okay, bye.